Hello, lovely family and friends, and warm welcome back to my channel. So today we are making chicken live soup. Okay, bronya konkwan. That's what I'm bringing to you. Christmas chicken live soup. I'm bringing this to you first. So today is the first day of 12 days of Christmas. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you every day until Christmas Day, okay? And what best to bring to you on the very first day of 12 days of Christmas? Chicken soup is the best. Just prepare, okay? Prepare. Don't worry, I'll bring you goat live soup too, okay? So whichever you're going to be using for Christmas and Kwano, I've got you covered. And your soup this year is going to be vavavoom, vavavoom. So just join me and let's see how I do this. But I hope you're all doing well though. I think I forgot to ask at the beginning. Hey, beginning. Beginning. Let's get into it. So let's start with our chicken. Okay, so we are using layers, okay, or hen, right? Akoko no oto no. Yeah, they are the layers. They are the hard one. They are tough because they give birth to the eggs. No, I'm a tough pan. So I'm cutting all the unnecessary or the ones I don't like. If you like anything or you like everything, you keep it. Okay, so this is abrochire hen or abrochire akoko. So or abrochire layer. So they are kind of different. They come, you know, we don't kill them ourselves or we don't slaughter them ourselves, okay? We buy them as you saw it. So what I'm trying to do is to butterfly this, okay? So with this chicken soup, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this chicken in the oven, right? And grill the back a bit, okay? So grill the skin. When I say the back, the skin, because when I cut it, I'll turn the back of the chicken, yeah, to face the grill, right? As I said, grill the back, right? But it's just the skin. Okay, we grill it a bit to get a bit of smokiness in our chicken, right? Then we use that to make the soup. Okay, so yes, this is it. I've got 3 pieces of it, right? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is to chop it into my desired, sizes. You can chop it anyhow you want. There is no, well, there is um, a recognized way of butchering a chicken, right? But really, then you're coming to chew it yourself, so it doesn't matter. Which you try, however you cut it, and just feel free. Why? Feel free or buy, no stress. Okay, cut it however you want it. Okay, so I am cutting it the way I want it, right? All of it. Then we'll continue with it. So this, in Ghana, Christmas time is chicken, all right? Most of the time chicken because it's the most affordable, right? If you want to go a little bit high, then you get a goat, or my dad used to bring like a lamb, okay, and otherwise Charlie kona kope ne ntwina bi ne akwa bi na fafrafra woni fe so akwa bi nkwan kama just say don't stress yourself. No, why? Yes, I'm still cutting this. I just want you to have an idea of how you can cut it. Okay, that's what I'm trying to cut. I'm going to cut just one. Okay, not all the 3 chickens. So once I'm finally done with this cutting of this chicken, okay, I'll show you the rest of the ingredients. So here I have some tomatoes, some okra, onions, gardeners, chilies, or meko, right? So the same thing that I've, cut and peeled and boiled and blended, okay, quickly. So here are some aromatics, okay, some spices I'm going to be using, right? So I have some rosemary, I have basil or basil, ahokomesa, then I have sage. I love to put sage in my soup at Christmas, okay? Then I have cardamom. This is the secret ingredient. So start looking for it if you don't have it. And then my onions, ginger, and garlic, of course, okay? So I blended it, and there was some green chilies as well. So that's why it's very green, plus the basil that I blended. So here I'm trying to blend a little bit of stir so that nicely everything is mixed nicely. I've added some tomato puree or tin tomatoes and I'm now seasoning it with my salt. Now, very, very well. You have to remember to season the base really, really well. So I'm giving a stir and on very low heat, I'm going to let this simmer, okay? The reason why I'm doing on low heat is because, don't forget, I grilled the back of the chicken. So it's a bit cooked, a little bit cooked. So that is, say, the steaming phase done. So the chicken wouldn't take long to cook, right? So you don't need to cook it vigorously, sekakra, right? So once it boils, it comes to a simmer, I'll add my blended vegetables. That's what I've just done, and some water, okay, to top it up. Just say your bonus yo kakra sa mo na nkwana do so otherwise nkwan yan so baby so line no. So yeah, give it a stir, and on a medium heat, you let it boil, okay, so that all the ingredients, the spices, everything that we've added. And bear in mind, all that I showed you was just the spices going to be using the cardamom, the basil, and that is all. And those are blend garlic, ginger. It's very simple, extremely simple, but extremely delicious. It's just this your soup, this Christmas. If you make this soup, you believe, say, hey, Charlie, I did it, baby. So here I'm adding my sage, which is optional. If you don't have it, don't worry. Akokomesa or basil, you can get some in your backyard if plants grow there, or there are some around in Ghana, right? And then I've grated some fresh nutmeg, okay, to our soup, and that is it. Our soup is done, and it is very delicious. I'm telling you. So I tasted it, and it needed a bit more salt, so I've added more salt. Taste your food. As I say, always taste your food to make sure that it is well seasoned, okay, little by little. And say chuma samaba, right? So yeah, garnishing it with more chilies and then okra. And now okra, Charlie. Nkruma de like soup man, no the rifufu and de. I love it. I love okra. So bibia okra. You see. So our soup is done. That is very simple. I'm going to list all the ingredients you need. I tell you, you don't need any humongous thing. Just simple. Fe. You will love it. And look at that soup. You see the taste. My brother catch you say, me di nkwan, and I me di nkwan. Now so, akukon nkwan we di. It's different. Ede. And to say you made it bia. My sister Abena, I made this soup for her, for them actually, back home in Ghana. When I went to Ghana about 6 months ago, hey, I did a children see me ko yena. I did say, hey, Erade. And it was really good. She loved it. And I have replicated it in a different way, actually. And you love this, okay? So just give it a try. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. And please share this video, okay? Please share this video. And I will see you in the very next one, right? Bye.